Hey y'all, I'm Diamond Painting Cajun. Everybody calls me Cajun. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, well, welcome back. It's another video, y'all. I have coming at y'all from GBFKE. Thank you to GBFKE for sending me these packages for review. I will link everything in the description portion of this video down below. Their website, if you go to their website, they have diamond paintings, they have diamond painting pins, they have wax, they have all kind of different, a large variety of crafts. Okay, so anything diamond painting related, or like the jewels, the special drill related coasters, etc. So y'all go check them out, and I'm gonna show y'all what I got. So we're gonna do this one first. Now their diamond paintings, they have so many cute diamond paintings, y'all. Like, they do. So many to choose from. All their diamond paintings come with a diamond painting toolkit. As you all know, a boat, a plate of wax, and a single placer. Y'all know that. Oops. I dropped something. And this is a round drill diamond painting, and it's not big, but I think it's so stinking cute. It's a cow, y'all. Look how cute it is. I swear, this is the cutest diamond painting ever. I love it. It does have a lot of color blocking, but look at the bow in the cow's hair. It's so stinking cute. I love it. Look the thumbnail, how cute it is. It's so cute. They have a legend on the top left. And they have 18 colors to this diamond painting. Of course, it, like I said, it does have a lot of color blocking. But y'all, look how cute. I mean, look at that. Another legend at the bottom right. Look how cute this is. I love this. It's so cute. Look, the drill field is clear. You can see all the colors. I mean, all the numbers, letters, whatever, letters, yeah. Yeah, they're letters. They're all letters. So you can see those clearly. So clear, y'all. Look how cute this cup is. That's a cute cup. I love this. Look at the glasses. Y'all, it's so cute. I just really love this. Y'all know I like farm stuff. Y'all know I like sea stuff, but I like farm stuff too. Sorry. Y'all know I like farm stuff and sea stuff. So cute. I love it. Let's check the stick on it. The stick is good. Very sticky. I never usually have any problems with these at all. I'm going to go ahead and get the crinkles out while I'm at it of the paper. Or try anyway. Yeah, it's very sticky for sure. So yeah, it is a round drill. I have to just show y'all one more time. I love this. I just love it. It's so cute. The drills come in Ziploc baggies, already kitted up, so you don't really have to kit it up. You just work right from the bags. Look the colors. Of course, there is a lot of white. So cute. I love it. It's so cute. That's the first one. Let me fix this, y'all. And I have another one. I have two more, actually. Two more. The struggle is real to get this open, though. I mean, good grief. Toolkit, same thing, same tube, same kind. And this is a 30 by 30 centimeter. And y'all, look how cute. It's a Lotus Flower. Look how pretty those colors are. It has 21 colors. It is a round drill. This is the thumbnail. Look at those colors. It does have the DMC codes on the side. The drill field is clear. Y'all, look how cute. These colors are so pretty. All the pastels. So stinking cute. Y'all, I love it. I absolutely love it. So pretty. I love this big, y'all know me in pink. Oh my God. I love this big flower. Love it. The canvas is soft. The stick is good. Very good. So cute. I love it. I love these smaller ones because it gives me a chance to work on these in between the others. Right now, I'm not doing much of little ones until I complete a couple of my whips. They come in these bags. These are the colors, the drills. They are round. They do have some pretty colors, some pinks and some blues, some hot pinks. Y'all, I literally can't wait to do this one. It's so cute. I may bring this one with me on my little trip and start it, you know, start working on it over there while I work on my whip. Because I am doing a diamond painting for Diamond Grandma's event. And Mermaids and Magic. The same painting for both events. Shay's and Diamond Grandma's. This one also comes with a toolkit. And this is a round drill as well. And they do come in plastic zip baggies already kitted up for you. So you don't have to kit up if you don't want to. Those colors. Y'all, this one's cute too. Oh, why? I like this one too. These are flowers, y'all. Look, within a flower vase on top of a table. So pretty. Look at those colors. It's on. This is the table, and this is like a vase with the flowers in it. It is a round drill. The drill field is clear. This is the thumbnail to it. Y'all don't ignore my nails, y'all. The thumbnail. They have 23 colors. Look at those colors though, how cute. So cute. Look at those purples. I love these flowers. So cute. I'm gonna stand up to hold it so y'all can see it better. Like I said, the drill field is clear. I love these flowers. I don't know what this is. These flowers are called Morning Glories, maybe? I don't know. They're cute. It's a 30 by 40 centimeter. So stinking cute. They have the legend top left, bottom right. I really like this, y'all. Just look. I love it. I hope y'all can see that. I don't know with the glare. I hope y'all can see it though. Love it. So cute. And let me check the stickiness. I'm pretty sure it's good though. Yeah. Stickiness is great as usual. But just look at it. Isn't that cute? I had ordered these for Diamond Grandma's event. But like I said, I'm probably going to work on this one for the event. When I'm taking it with me. I'm going to take it with me. Or I may even work on this one. I don't know. They're both cute. So that does it for this. Okay, so let me tell y'all how much they are. The cow was $3.89 on their website. The Lotus Flower was $4.25 on their website. And the flowers on the table, the ones I just showed y'all, is $4.25 on their website. So y'all go check them out. Everything will be in the description portion of this video. I'll link it below so you guys can go check them out. And thank y'all for watching. Y'all have a good day. Bye.